In today's video, I'm going to give you one more side hustle that can help you fund your dental implant journey. And here we go. Hey, it's Danny, and in today's video I'm going to give you one more side hustle that can help you fund your dental implant journey. And today's side hustle is a little different. You don't have to go out and deliver food or any of that shenanigans. You can do this at home. It doesn't matter if you're disabled. As long as you can see, you have an internet connection, a phone, a laptop, either one of the two, you can do this. Now, it's real simple. I've actually done this a little bit. It is time consuming. So if you have a lot of time at home and you don't go out a lot, but you do need to find a way to make money, this can take time, but you can expect massive results if it's done properly. This isn't just going out and making $300 a week or $500 a week. You could potentially see thousands. It is just actually an old-fashioned thing on the internet. It's just straight affiliate marketing. And there's so many different ways that you can do affiliate marketing. The one way that I've tried, I watched another YouTuber named Big Mark, and I'll link him down in the description, and he'll show you all the details. And there's so many other videos out there that can go in depth on exactly how to execute this method. Now, pretty much what it is you are either making a blog post. I did YouTube videos. I simply did what Big Mark said. I didn't do nature videos, but I did similar videos where my face wasn't even in the video. I just created videos, and there's so many royalty-free videos that you can get. Music, I use it for this channel. There's just so many ways, and if anybody has any questions about that, I can help you out with that. People will go to sleep at night, for instance, and they will listen to nature videos, rain videos, just any kind of thing that they can put in the background, whether they're studying or they're sleeping, and they usually don't even watch the video. They're usually just listening to the sound. So you can have this music related as well. And I'm not a master at this. I will send you in the direction to people who have mastered this art and who can show you how to properly execute it. Now, with the affiliate marketing, there's so many different ways that you can get involved in affiliate marketing. You can go to Amazon. Amazon has an affiliate marketing program. Pretty much any big company offers an affiliate marketing program. You just have to do your research, and again, like I always say, do your due diligence. You will find a company and a product that you can market. Now, what happens is, for instance, on YouTube, in the videos that I would post, in the description I would have a link that would direct you to a product, to a website, to a company, and anytime anybody bought that product, you got a piece of that. And this does take time because you do have to develop an audience. Whether you're doing a blog post, whether you're doing YouTube videos, it is something that's going to take time, something you're going to have to build, but it can pay off extremely in the end. And I've seen people get rich, not just making some money to fund something that they need to do, like me and you. These people have actually gotten legitimately rich off this. Now, I know this is a quick video today, guys. I'm just going to give you a slew of things that I've tried and things that I've seen other people be successful with when we're trying to accomplish something that we're trying to accomplish, as in getting our dental implants done, or just whatever oral surgery that you are trying to seek that is extremely expensive. I think that it is important for you to have multiple streams of income to get you to that goal quicker, and that's what I'm going to try to help you out with in this series. So again, thank you guys. I know it's a quick video today, but there wasn't really that much to say about it. I'll link all kinds of links in the description that can help you out with this method. And if you have any questions for me, email me. It's info@dentalimplantcouncil.com. I'll link that down in the description as well. I'll help you find a doctor, side hustles, ways to make money, anything that you need help with. If I can't help you, I have all kinds of people that can help you out, or we can find the answers. So thanks for joining me again today, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.